Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing with pandas, and we're going to really start digging into everything we can do with a data frame, because pandas just unbelievably powerful. So all right, let's just get to it. So last time, or over the past few times, if you have not seen our series, I'll go ahead and put a card up right here because it's important, because what we do here is we build from one topic to another. We do micro videos, so they're easy to find, easy to refresh, easy to, it's bite size. How you eat an elephant, one bite at a time. So all right, we have this very large, well, not very large, not for pandas, but for us, we're starting small, and it is a data set of baby names in Hawaii from 1910 on. So what we're going to look at is, because right now we've chopped it up, we've done female names, we've done male names, but that right now it's not really telling a story. So we're going to learn about the group by method, and it's very interesting, very powerful, but can become very overwhelming very quickly. So all right, as we can see, we have, they go by year, so it's going to be state, gender, year, then the name, then the count of the name. So this can become overwhelming pretty quick of how to group this. So I'm going to show you a very handy way, because then we're going to take this information and learn how to do something that is very powerful with pandas. So all right, the group by method. Let's just, okay, well, let's just look at it. Help hi dot group by. It's okay. Okay, so group series using mapper. So we're going to give it then a by, then we can then do stuff to it where this becomes very powerful. So we're going to group it by year and then pull something out of that. So this is going to look really weird, but we're going to go slow. So all right, then group by, we want to group by the year. Then watch this. Okay, so count, that is here, count, then this is really weird, sum. So all right, so it's 1910. I couldn't remember if it was 2018 or 2017. So a couple videos ago, we took this and dumped count into our matplotlib, and it did a bar chart, because it will automatically grab with we did a histogram, and it will automatically sum and do this. So I want you to look at this. So we said group by years, then go over, then come over to count, and then I want you to then sum up all the count. So it went through, grouped everything into a year, filtered that down, then we told it go to count. Now this is the weird part that took me forever. So the group by is a string, then dot notation, and it has to be the same capital, case sensitive. It is case sensitive, and then whatever function you'd like to give it, sum. So this is the information, and we're going to do something very interesting next video, next time we mess around with pandas, because when we're starting to get the names, we're then going to go and find out what percentage of name that is, and we needed to have a tool to be able to do this. So real quick video today. This is just one of the handy tools, and we're going to start digging in and going real slow. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.